What's going on, guys? Just should be coming in today. Oh, you got some birds right up above. It's a beautiful park here across the road from where I live in East Perth, Western Australia. And I wanted to shoot a video today and talk a little bit about the topic of the what if story and the crystal ball method. Now, what do I mean by the what if and the crystal ball method? And what I mean by that is, what if things work out for you? What if your dreams work out for you? What if it is all possible? All your biggest dreams, goals, desires, and everything that you possibly considered not impossible, maybe highly improbable. What if it was achievable? If there was a way to actually achieve it and have it and bring that into your life, manifest that into your life today. For so many of my clients that join our online business community, I like to use the crystal ball analogy that one of my good friends and top earners in the online space, Dan Holloway, he likes to talk about the crystal ball method, and it's basically removing any limiting beliefs or blockages that you have in your life or business, and remove those so that you can actually go through and commit to your journey and achieve your biggest goals and dreams. And the crystal ball method was, let's just say for an example that you needed to invest whatever amount of money that it would cost for you to start, build and scale your business. So let's say let's just put $20,000 on the line here. If you were guaranteed, you had a crystal ball and you could look into this crystal ball and it would tell you the future 12 months from now, and it told you that if you invested this $20,000, you were guaranteed success, whatever that success means to you. You were guaranteed it as long as you did the work, as long as you did the trainings, as long as you put the time and effort in. You were guaranteed that you were going to earn whatever it may be. $100,000 might be your goal. $100,000 a month might be a goal. Whatever your goal is, just let's say it was guaranteed that your dream was achievable if you committed to it by investing into yourself and investing into your business. Would you do it? Would you do it? Would you take action if you were guaranteed the results, if you were guaranteed success? Would you invest that money and time and effort into achieving your dreams? And the answer is always going to be yes, because who wouldn't want to achieve their dreams, goals, and desires? Who wouldn't want to achieve their goals? And that's where, if you're feeling a little bit of resistance around, investing into yourself, investing into your business, and taking that first step, that action step to, get started, get underway, and take the risks and go all in and just back yourself, take yourself on, commit and take yourself on, believe in yourself. If any of this is resonating with you and you're holding back for whatever reason, some limiting beliefs, some self-doubt, can I do this? Is this possible? Then this is where the what if comes in. Well, what if it is possible? What if it is true? And the crystal ball method is simply, if someone else has done it, then you can do it. And there are thousands of us that are doing it. I've been full-time now for over 12 months, lived in Bali for 7 months last year, traveled to South Africa and London recently. Now my partner and daughter and I, as a family, we're looking at relocating to Europe for 6 months later this year. Now, would that have been possible if I didn't back myself, if I didn't go, well, what if it is possible? Well, what if I do make this work? What if I do achieve my dreams and goals? And all I saw was that vision. All I saw was that goal being possible for me, and I couldn't stay where I was in an unhappy work environment, trading my time for a paycheck. I knew that I needed to try this digital business stuff. I knew I needed to build an online business that could build me passive income and allow me to really live a fulfilled life and be able to have these mornings where I walk in this beautiful park and just feel bliss and feel grateful and just love what I do. I don't have to worry about getting in traffic and commuting and just dealing with bosses and other work colleagues that are negative. And I can just come out and live my life on my own terms and do what I choose to do because it makes me happy. And this is what this video is all about, guys. What if it is possible for you? What if it does work out? Think of the bigger picture. What if it does work out for you? And what other, sorry if it's gotten a bit windy here, let me just try and move over here under the tree, get rid of wind blockage. Might be able to sit the phone up here, can we? Nah, it's all good. So what if it is possible for you guys? Like, what if this does work out, and that crystal ball theory, if you do go all in? Because at the end of the day, there's just something that happens energetically in your life, that when you make a decision to go all in, stuff just seems to work out for you. When you have that conscious decision to go, it's time for me to take control of my life and future. It's time for me to do the work and commit to my dreams. Something just happens where things start to work out, things start to align, the right people come into your life, the right opportunities start to work out for you. Things just start to happen when you have that belief and you have that decision that it's time to make this happen for me. So in this short video, guys, wanted to talk a little bit about that crystal ball theory and what's really holding you back and why, and a little bit about the what if it is possible, what if it does work out for you. Because when we start to think that way, life gets very, very exciting. So what if it does work out for you? What if it does work out and you can live the life of your dreams? You can work from home, work remotely, on your own hours, on your own terms, with who you like, where you like. What would that look like for you? How would that make you feel? How would that impact your life? Because this is why we're here. This is why we build these digital businesses, so you can really live a fulfilled life and have control of your life and control of your future, not in the hands of somebody else. So that's it for me, guys. Drop a comment below. Feel free to reply to my email, and I will chat to you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye.